Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Shibadoge have continued to increase in price, and today the market cap have hit over $35 million. Shibadoge are actually planning on burning, and I believe this year, if Shibadoge can really destroy and burn billions of Shibadoge coins, that is going to be a bonus for Shibadoge. I believe with burning, Shibadoge is going to gain a lot because Shibadoge have a lot of coins, and when you compare Shibadoge to other coins, you discover Shibadoge have a lot of coins. They need to burn quadrillions of Shibadoge coins. Though when Shibadoge started, they burned half of Shibadoge coin. Now I believe now that Shibadoge is really increasing in price, you can see the price of Shibadoge increasing. Most especially the market cap have really jumped from $7 million to over $35 million, and I believe that will continue. Shibadoge market cap might be hitting about $50 million. People are getting interested on Shibadoge. People are buying Shibadoge. People are investing on Shibadoge. With massive support from community, with massive support from crypto billionaires, you can see a lot of millions have been pumping to Shibadoge this January 2023. So I believe if they can really focus on burning of Shibadoge and also getting this coin to partner with other top crypto exchanges, Shibadoge is going to become one of the biggest coins. But right now, Shibadoge cap is really increasing. The price is doing well. I'm happy to see Shibadoge coin pumping this type of the year. This January, a lot of people don't really buy coins on January, but you can see some coins are really increasing. Even Bitcoin, the king of crypto coins, is now approaching $23,000 for the first time. BTC have been trading between 15,000 and 16,000, and that has also affected other crypto coins positively. That is why you can see many coins from Teruna Classic to Tectonic to Shibadoge to Shiba Inu and other crypto coins are now increasing. I believe Shibadoge is going to pump very high this year, and with the way things are going, let's keep hoping that more partnership will be coming for Shibadoge, which will definitely help this coin to really increase in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.